Right and the left, huh?
Lee Cowan on the Puffin Patrol.
To everyone else, I look. Her husband was calling it rum black forest rum cake. Until the icing's on the sides, what we do?
What do you think of that, Izzy?
Bad. Oh, it's just a kitty. Hey, kitty. Oh my gosh. Hey, it's okay, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty.
Oh no!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Oh my god.
Oh no! That hurts!
Jeez, oh my god.
Hey, hey. Oh. You okay?
It was fell off.
Of 9 yards brought down by Devin McCourty. You go back and take a look at Grady Jarrett and where he travels from all the way around to the left side. He keeps playing and circles back.
Hi, we miss you. Creedy misses you. Miss you too. Hey!
The teen was inside of a hallway and then ran off campus spotted by administrators. Officers with Cyfair ISD police located McGee in a neighborhood and then took him into custody. The lockdown happened after rumors surfaced of a second suspect on campus, which turned out not to be true. After the lockdown was lifted, parents showed up in droves to